for
You
sure.
left some padding and you left some cat litter. And you know what? Now you're gonna pay, baby. Someone puts out your trash, and if it's a 4-bag limit, let me say this to the universe, and you go to a customer's garbage cans and they got 5 bags, then you charge them for 1 extra. But you got enough common sense to pick the sucker up. This guy ain't got no common sense.